Hello, this is Arthur from Young Living Connection. I would like to show you how to create and operate your blog. So basically how to create the articles and how to manage these articles, how to save them, how to put the content into them. So this should be helpful for creating your first articles. So as you see, I'm logged in here to our website, to the main page. Now the first step, of course, will be to log into my account. So let's me log in. Okay, I'm logged in, so now I can start working on my blog. As you see here on the menu, we have a blog section with several different options on the menu. So let's go to the blog dashboard. That's your main place for creating new documents and new blogs. So we're going to create a new document here, new blog. As you see, when you scroll through the icons here, it shows you which icon does what here. And we click on this icon here, which says write. And we start creating our blog. So when this screen popped up, let me scroll it up a little bit. You have a number of different options here. Well, of course, the first option you want to use is the category here. So you want to assign your document or your blog article into a certain category. I have prepared some material and some text which I keep on the other screen, which I'll use for this blog, so I don't have to type and waste your time just watching me typing. But this material and this this text will apply to the category which is business, business training, I can say. So I'm going to select business here, and then we have to put the, of course, the title. Let's think for a second. What am I going to use for the title? Okay, let's put something like web analytics for your content. Okay, so this is the title. Now, as you see here, we can select the blog image as well, which will be assigned to the header at the top of the blog. We'll do it a little bit later. So let's get the text now. So here's my editor. I'm gonna just simply grab, copy, and paste this text to the panel where I normally would type. So of course you can paste as well here. If you have anything prepared earlier, that's fine. The only thing you need to remember is that you cannot use Microsoft Word to copy and paste directly from programs like Microsoft Word, like Windows Write, Windows WordPad, and things like that, because these editors add extra formatting characters which are normally invisible for you, but they will be visible for the web browser and for this engine that manages the text here. So what do you want to do if you have some text already stored in the Word document or even like PDF file? What you want to do first is to grab some kind of plain editor and for that purpose I'm using Windows XP here, but it's available also on Windows 7, on Windows 8, pretty much on any version of Windows. So when you go to accessories, you'll see something that's called Notepad, and basically when you have this Notepad, you just copy paste from the Microsoft Word, Open Office, and editors like that. You copy paste it to Notepad first. Then the next step, once you paste that text, you want to do save. You click save or save as eventually. I would recommend save as, so you create some new name. And the moment you save as, the Notepad just strips off all the unnecessary characters and save that text as a plain text. So there is nothing, just the characters saved. Then after you save it, you can simply go and copy and paste again. So basically you highlight the text, click on copy, and then you paste to the web browser again. So this is in case you have your text already stored in a Word document on similar format. Okay, so I have my text placed here. To not to lose my content, because all kind of things could happen, you can lose the power or whatever, I would recommend to save it every once in a while, so you not lose your content. Okay, let's go and let's expand this. As you see, there is a little tiny icon here that allow you to expand the text area here. Oh yeah, we need to save it, so I gotta go here and click on that icon, save as draft. Also, this icon allow you to have several versions of the same article. So basically when you type, let's say I add an image right now, and after I add an image, I click on save as draft, and I'm gonna end up with two different versions of the same document, one without image and one with image. Why is this so? This is because if you want for some reason go back to the previous version and you work on the document, something got terribly wrong, then you can use all your drafts and basically revert to the previous version. So let's click on this thing. You see this was saved, and I can now go and continue editing. This is all in real time on the web, so I'm working directly on our website. As you see here right on the top, it says younglivingconnection.com plus some folders, etc. So I'm doing this in real time. Okay, so we have a text. Now, if you for some reason want to extend your text, expand it, highlight it, make it bold or anything, you have all these icons here available at the top. Let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna put the extra line. I'll hit enter here, and we'll make it bold just to show you how it works. It's very easy, super easy. Alright, now let's say we want to add an image into that article. So first thing, you have to make a decision where you want your image placed. Let's say we put the image here after that paragraph over here, so I'm gonna hit enter a couple times to get a few extra empty lines. And then as you see on the top, I have a button that says Media Manager. So this is the button that allows me to manage all my images on the server. If I already have some images, and I do, instead of using this, I can use the Insert Media button, which is here. Just make sure that before you press this button, you position your cursor somewhere in the text, which will point the location of your image. So I'm going to click Insert Media here, and I'm going to do Choose Media. The Choose Media. The other option here, which says Upload Media, means that you need to use some document, or I'm sorry, some image or picture that resides actually on your computer, on your hard drive. If the image is already on the server, then you don't have to upload it, you just select it and use it. So let's do this option first. So I'll show you how it works. Choose media. When you click on this thing, another window pops up and shows you the panel with the images available for your documents. Actually, every user has a separate folder for that, so your images, the images that you upload to the server, will not mix with anybody else's images. I'm sorry, actually I forgot I don't have any images here because I was testing it as a different user before. So we will have to upload some images here. Anyway, it's very easy to do it from here. So all I have to do is to upload to this folder and I'm done. But when you collect more images and more documents, you don't want to keep all the images in the same folder. So basically you want to create some folders and sort these images by topic or perhaps by article or whatever way you like. So I'm going to create the folder here. I click on Create Folder and I'm going to put Blog Business. Now the system automatically relocates me to that folder, so this folder is highlighted here and I'm ready to upload now. Just for example, as an example, I'm going to create one more folder. So make sure when you're creating another folder on the same level, you highlight My Media here, because the new folder will start from here, will originate from here. So I'm going to create another folder and we'll put a different name, which is Tools. So as you see, I have two folders now. But I'm going to use the business folder for our example. So now I need to upload the images. This is super easy also because you have several different ways of options to do this. When I click Upload Media here, this icon in the middle changes to this arrow and it says drop a file here to upload. This is super easy. Now let's assume I don't have any images ready on my computer, on my hard drive, but I need to find some image on internet. So I have a file manager open here, and I'm going to use this file manager as a temporary storage from internet. So let's go to my drive C and I'm going to go to temporary folder and create some temporary folder for my images. So I click on new folder. I call it temp internet. Let's open this folder, and this will be like our temporary storage for our images that we grab from internet. Okay, now I have in another window, or on my other screen, I have another browser open, which is actually Google Chrome. So let me bring it here. And I have already opened a page from the website called iconfirmation.com. finder.com, very nice site, where you can download or buy icons. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, and there are tons of different places where you can find icons. On our website also you can find a few links to free sites that offer free icons. Okay, I'm gonna use this one as an example for our video. So once I have this icon open here, all I have to do is drag and drop it to my File Explorer window, and you see what happens. As long as I keep the button, the icon changes, I mean the mouse cursor changes, and when I release the button I have the file here. Now let's change the display to thumbnails, and as you see I already have this little file downloaded to my local computer. So as you see, it's super easy. Let me show you again. Let's grab another one. For example, I want this one. All I have to do is just click on it, hold it, grab, drag and drop it here, and it's done. Alright, now I don't need my browser anymore, so I'm gonna move it away to another screen, and now all I have to do is drag and drop it again from this window into that download or drop area here, and we'll do the same with another one. As you see, now it's uploading. Complete. Alright, now we'll do another one. And now we're going to do it a different way, because I clicked on Add Media. In this case, the window pops up and the computer asks me where is the file that I want to upload. So I know my file is on my drive C in the temp directory and in the subdirectory called temp internet. So when I display the thumbnails, I can see these two files again, and this is the second one I want to upload. So this is just simply another method of doing the same thing. I click on open, and now we have two files, two images placed on the server. Now I can select any of them. So let's see, maybe we can check this one. Alright, we click insert, and I can close this window, and as you see, the icon is here. Of course, if you want the icon or image centered, you just put the cursor next to it, click this icon, and it's done. So this is very, very easy.